everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome to our value education class. Today we are going to discuss question time of lesson 6 working together. Okay, now open your textbooks and let's start. Okay. First one is there, circle the correct answer. Means here you have to circle the correct word, okay, from this sentence, okay. First one is, the four brothers were always fighting or laughing. Yes, which option is correct? Yes, fighting is correct. So circle this, okay, fighting in this way. Second one, the farmer wanted the boys to be alone or united. Yes, which option is correct? United is correct. So circle it. Third one, the boys could or could not break the bundle of sticks. Yes, could not break the bundle of sticks. Okay. Now the fourth one, they could break a single stick easily or with difficulty. Yes, they could break the single stick easily. Okay. Fifth one, a united family is a happy or a sad family. Yes, it is a happy family. Okay. Now come to the next part. Time to think. When you are together, you are strong. Each person adds strength to the group. If you stand alone, there is only the strength of one. You can achieve more when you are united. Unity makes even tough work seem easy. You have more fun when you share work with others than when you do it alone. Work gets over faster when you do it together. Discuss in the class the advantages of working together. Now here also children, it is said that unity is strength and you should do a teamwork always, okay, and you should share work, okay, and when you stand alone, you are alone standing there and doing the whole work. But if you are doing in a group or in a team, you share that work, okay, with each other, and the tough work also becomes easy when you do it together, okay, and you have more fun when you share your work with each other, okay, and the work gets completed within less time, okay, and in a very faster speed, okay, and you can say any other advantages to your friends or parents also. You have to discuss the advantages of working together, okay children. Now come to the next part, time for a reality check. Find the given words in the grid, discuss in class how they are linked with unity. Now first word, strong, okay, strong is here, okay children. Now next word, fun. Fun is here. Easy. Easy is here. Okay. Creative. Creative, the word is here. Fast. Fast is here. Now children, how these are related to unity? Yes, unity is making us strong, okay. Unity means when we are together, it makes fun. Okay, working as fun. Okay, when you are united or together, the work becomes easy also. Okay, and when you are united, you learn creativity and become more and more creative. Okay, by looking each other's work and doing it. Okay, now the work gets fast when you work in unity. Okay, children, now come to the next part, diary time. Fill in your diary using the given words. Date, here you will write today's date. Today I learnt about how, what will come here? Unity is strength. My family is strong because we are united. I will always work in unity with others. Like this you will write. Okay, children, you write in your textbooks. Okay, now come to the next part, your time. What will happen in the given situations? Tick the correct answer. First one is, a new child joins your school. He travels in your bus. A bully in the bus eats his lunch and drinks the lime juice he brings from home. The new child tries but cannot stop him. All of you decide to join hands and help the child. What will happen? Option 1 is given. The bully will get scared and stop troubling the child. The child will get angry with you. Now here, children, when a new child comes to your school and he is traveling in a bus, while traveling there is a bully happening there. Okay, means fight or cheating or teasing or beating some other child is called as bully. Okay, what does that bully does? He eats the lunch of that child and drinks a lime juice which he has brought from the home. And the new child tries, okay, the newcomer tries to stop that, but he could not stop him. Okay, then what happens? The fellow classmates or fellow friends who was watching this decide and join hands and help the newcomer or that new child. Then what will happen when they will come together to help that child? Yes, the bully will be scared and stop troubling the child. Okay, is the correct option. So take it. Okay, in this way. Now second one, many people are coming to your house for dinner. Your mummy is worried. You and your father decide to help her. What will happen? Now options are, everything will become a mess. The dinner will be ready before the guests come. Now here, children, if many people are going to come to your house, suppose for a dinner, okay, and your mummy is now worried. How will she cook the food or make the dinner? Okay, then your father and you decide to help your mother. Then what do you think? What will happen here? Yes, the dinner will be ready before the guests come is the correct option. So tick it in this way. Okay, children. Now come to the next part. Put together. Okay, if we work together, we enjoy what we do and learn from others. Color the picture of the children enjoying together. Now here, children, you have to color this picture, okay, and you can see that they are working together and enjoying together, okay. You do this also, okay, complete this coloring, okay. Now here I have come to the end of our session. Thank you.